Hey, what's up guys, it's Jamie. Today I want to show you how you can use Google Analytics to get some more insights about how people are using your site, and we can get it set up in just a couple of minutes actually, so let's get into it. Okay, so we start off at analytics.google.com and I'm going to go ahead and sign up. Okay, now it's going to ask me information about what I'd like to track. I want to track a website. I have this Scratch website here I've set up in another video. It's basically just a single HTML file, and it's hosted using Firebase, so the only thing it has is a couple of H1s, a paragraph tag, and a button. Website name is Scratch website, and I'm just going to grab the hosting URL from Firebase because I forgot what it was, and I need to go and paste that over here, and then I'm going to select the category, and that's going to be, doesn't really matter, computers and electronics, time zone, don't really care, and I'm going to leave all these things checked, and yeah, now I'm going to click Get Tracking ID. Oh, and also I need to agree to the terms of service. Okay, so it brought me straight to here, and now it gave me my tracking code, so great. I'm going to go over to my website and paste it below here and format it so it looks nice. So basically this section here, guys, this is the tracking code. You don't really need to worry about what it's doing. It's just gonna track people on your website and give you some basic insights about what they're doing. Oh, and if you want to be a little bit more polite about how you're tracking, you can anonymize the IPs like this. So you provide an additional parameter as an object with anonymized IP set to true. So I'm going to save that, pull up the terminal, and now I'm going to deploy it. Okay, now I'm going to go back to Analytics and then see if I can track my own session. So I'm going to click on this Home button, and we can see that I have 0 active users right now. But if I go over here and then go to my website, and then go back here, we should see this refresh to 1. So there it is, so it got my session, and then I'm not sure that it will have any of this aggregate data yet. Alright, that's it for this tutorial, you guys. Hopefully that'll help you. You guys will now have like basic analytics for like what people are doing on your site, like how long their session time is, and you can even see like geographic locations, like where they're from. So hopefully you like this. Leave a like if you did enjoy this video. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.